Is Google Ads difficult to learn? I get asked this all the time. How difficult is it to learn Google Ads? So I've compiled a short video to help you understand whether Google Ads is difficult to learn or not. And before I do, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button, so when I do produce new content, you'll be the first to be notified. My name is Ajay Dhunna. I've been running Google Ads campaigns for over the best part of 2 decades now, so I know what works. I've had to learn it myself, right? I've had to learn it myself, so I know how I learned it, right? So here goes. Is Google Ads difficult to learn, or is it easy to learn? And the answer is, you know what? Once you know something, everything's easy, but it's getting started, isn't it? Yeah, it's that getting started, which is always a difficult climb. So don't ever let the difficulty of something put you off. For example, if you drive a car, you know, the first day you sat in the car, and if your car's manual, you know, you had to work out how to use the steering wheel, how to use the accelerator, the brake, the clutch, the gears, the handbrake, the indicators, the mirrors. Google Ads is a bit like that, yeah? So get yourself into it and you slowly start picking up how it works, and things become a little bit easier. Now, my best way of getting started on Google Ads is, yes, you know, get some books, get some training, but use that as a starting point. But then build a Google Ads campaign, and there's nothing like building a Google Ads campaign right from day one, even if you don't launch it, because then if you've got some theory, for example, if you've done a course and the course is saying, hey, you need to click here, you need to click here, what you'll find is that the courses normally get out of date. So by the time you do it, right, it'll be totally different. And the only way you'll really learn it is by implementing it. Yeah, so implement it, and each week you'll find yourself getting better and better, and as things become easier, you'll have more questions, and when you have the questions, then you'll go and find the answer for them. Either you can ask an expert, like myself, for example, or you can get some training, or you can make YouTube videos. There's various ways of finding out answers to whatever challenge you might have in setting up your Google Ads campaigns. I find that, you know, there will never ever be a stage whereby you know it all, because it's a changing market. There's always something new happening within the digital marketing arena, right? There's always new algorithms coming up. In Google Ads, there's always new types of campaigns, new types of bidding strategies, new types of match types, new types of ads. So you're always keeping up to date. You're always finding ways of, hey, I need to keep up to date with them. One of the ways is hire a mentor. Hire a mentor who's going to stay with you throughout your journey from the start of how to create a campaign and then ongoing, because then what you're doing is, it's the mentor's job to keep telling you what's working now, what's not working, how to optimize your account now. So instead of you doing the guesswork, you're being told that, you know. So we do a lot of mentorships. So if you're interested, you know, get in touch with us and we'll talk you through our mentorship program on Google Ads. So you don't want to be burning your money in trying experiments. Why not learn from someone who's already done it? And then you can fast track your success to your business, to help your business get profitable a lot more quicker, a lot more sooner. And hey, you can then focus more of your time on your business as opposed to trying to work out what's working and what's not working. And before you say, yes, I know Google Ads, Google themselves offer telephone support, but in all honesty, their support is a lot of I've never found them to be good, and their all the advice that they give, all the recommendations that they give, they seem to be more steered towards making them into more of a profitable company, where you think they're doing you a favor, they're actually doing themselves a favor, because by the time you have watched this video, they've already earned hundreds and thousands of dollars from people like you and I. So, you know, hire a mentor and things become easy. Just get yourself implementing a Google Ads campaign for a project, for a friend, for a local business, even if you don't charge them, because that's the best way you'll learn, by getting your hands dirty and building that campaign right from day one. Guys, hit the subscribe button, because I do produce a lot of content about Google Ads, and even a channel like this, right, will help you so much to understand how Google Ads works, what to do, what not to do, right? And anything new I learn, I'm producing regular videos for people like yourself. So hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button, and if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll help you to answer those questions. And at the same time, hey, if you want to learn Google Ads, what better way than downloading my free Google Ads ebook? There'll be a link in the description below. Click on the link and you'll be able to download it. It's absolutely free, and it'll give you a structure of how to create a Google Ads campaign, the steps to take. So then again, you're fast tracking yourself to success, right? Take care, guys. I hope you found that video useful, and look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye bye for now.